Purpose of this video is I'm going to give you a brief overview of your sources that you can get to the Wake Tech library. Here is I posted this in the lessons. Here's where you can find the libraries page from the Wake Tech homepage. So a couple of great things you can do. Here's some information about the libraries and when they're open. Access, give you an idea of where things are. Just some information here. So kind of to give you a good walking tour, finding books. We can do something like this. Maybe find something like, I'm going to type in a favorite author of mine, Robert Caro. And here's some books by Robert Caro. These are all about, as I say, about Lyndon B. Johnson. It's kind of if you want to learn about one of the biggest American presidents, you can do this. You can have this texted to you. You can take a phone number and text it to you. There's also ways you can probably get it downloaded. This is an interesting book. I would love to read this about Power Broker, but that's the way you can find the book. So let's go back. Go back to our previous page. And we can search databases. Okay. And here's some sources you can look for databases. And resources by subject, arts and humanities. Some stuff here. All good things. ProQuest is a very good source. You log in. Let me see if I can use mine. Sure I can. I see. Means you do this. Probably a little slow, but you get the idea. Here's your studies. Yeah, you can pick a subject. I don't know. Let's type in Lyndon Johnson. So we've been talking about. I just showed you. Type that in. Johnson, Lyndon B. Just doing a search and look at all the sources we've come up with Lyndon Johnson. Just a whole bunch of stuff. Just in ProQuest, and you can let's click on this. See what we get. We get an abstract, we get the full text. You can see what we get. It's we can probably get the whole article from here, but it's just one idea. Okay, find some books. Another thing we'll go to is we can look. NC Live's a good sort. eJournal portal. I am going to type in one of the ones I used to use a lot when I was in grad school, foreign policy. I spelled it wrong, but let's see if it catches it. Nope. Well, I spelled it wrong, so I'm going to go back in and respell it. And here are some journals here. Foreign policy. This is one that I would use a lot. In fact, I would read a lot. In my own research. and periodical, and we could probably find an issue 2020, spring 2020. And you see what we have here, some great articles. One of the nice things is I just pointed out here is if you have a problem, here you can ask a librarian. They're always available on chat, and you can, if you have a question, they're more than willing to help. So there's just another idea. Let's go back. Let's go back again. Let's go back again. Resources by subjects, ebooks. See if we can find an ebook here. I'm going to see if we can find the Power Broker. I'm not much on hard copy of books, so let's try writing a title. And here we go. We have all these types of books. I'm trying to find, let's see if we can find Robert Caro. A little slow, the internet's a little slow today. Type in Robert Caro, see what we find. Nah, it's not there. Shazbot. That's one I would like to read, and I can't find it on my little sites. So there's that. Again, here's your chat. You can type in, help, I can't find, blah, 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 blah. Help, and you know somebody will get back to you. It's very nice. So let's go back one more. Research guides is a very good one. You can find all sorts of things here: nursing, public education, engineering, English 111, research. Let's look at that. Something you'd be used to for your next semester. Just a variety of sources here. It's a really good thing to play around with. What else can we find? You can make an appointment. You might be able to. Let's find out. Come on, my internet's being slow today. You can select a service, online reference appointment. Pick a time. You can pick a time. Next time you're going to get somebody is Wednesday, but you can pick a time, 1 p.m. Add your details, blah, 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 and you can do it that way. Very nice to have. Of course, we showed you the chat feature. How to contact the libraries. You have a question. There you go. These guys are pretty good people. At the RTP campus, which I normally teach at, Eric's a very good one. He was going to do a presentation for my other class until we had COVID. But these people are all very good. They're great. They are knowledgeable. They will offer you, they will really do a good job in helping you. Please utilize them. They are there to help you. If you're lost on something, go for it. Okay? That's it. Everybody have a good day.